Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And our YouTube channel is growing good. I'm really happy because of your all support. And today I select the topic is the three foods you have to avoid in the breakfast. That is very important. Now I'm going to talk about that only. The first one is paratha, and second one is all kind of junk foods, and the third one is biryani. The three foods are filled with carbohydrates, and it is not good for our health at when we take at early morning, I mean breakfast time. Some people's they are eating some kind of parathas, aloo paratha or whatever it is. They are kept it in the refrigerator, and the next day morning they take it out and reheat and eat. That is, it's a poison. Paratha is a basically poison, but if you eat like this, it's became a big issue for your health. I am always suggesting in all videos, please try to avoid the parathas. It is the waste flour. So we are wasting the waste product. It will not digest if you take at night also. In this busy lifestyle, most of them will skip the breakfast. After we go for lunch, we are working time. We don't give sufficient time for eating. We are just running up to finish our lunch. After in the dinner, after we finish our all work, then only we will sit and eat too much. But that is the wrong way. Morning we should take the food very rich. Afternoon it should be a normal, and dinner it should be very low food. But we are not follow these things. But the things I am saying, the three things, that is paratha, biryani, and junk food, fast food, whatever it is. Please try to avoid these food at the time of early morning, at the breakfast time. Try to eat vegetables, boiled vegetables or fruits. That is good for your breakfast. Or from the last videos I tell some soaked almonds. You can take some nuts also. That is helpful for your health. But if you are taking this one, it is really not good. And one more thing, please don't reheat any junk food and don't give to your children. That is also not good for their health, because junk food, they are, we don't know what kind of oil they are using, what kind of things they are putting in the fried rice or whatever it is. Even they will put the ajinomoto, but some in some countries ajinomoto is already banned, but instead of ajinomoto they are using some other thing for giving taste in the fried rice. So please try to avoid the fried rice. If you want to make fried rice, just try to make it in your home. That is good for your health. So these are the three things I am saying. And last, the biryani. Biryani also don't eat at the morning time. It is not digest. It is not good for your health. If you eat biryani and go and sit and walk in the office, it will not digest. The same, don't eat at night also the biryani. The same procedure I told for the fried rice. If the leftover biryani, please throw it out. Don't keep it until morning and reheat and eat for lunch until lunch we are taking for next day. That is totally not good for our health. So kindly follow these instructions. It is good for your health. Please try to change your food habit. Try to take more cereals, pulses, nuts, fruits, vegetables at the time of early morning. It is very good. And take a glass of milk. That is also good for your health. This is the today topic. I hope this is very useful for you all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe.